Good day everyone. Welcome to the Bioinformatics Channel. My name is Dr. Morabais. I am a professor of biochemistry and molecular biology. In this channel, we will be discussing the various bioinformatics techniques, from the basic to the advanced. I will guide you through the steps so that in no time, you too would be able to perform the various tests on your own. Bioinformatics is an emerging field that utilizes computer science and mathematics to explore and analyze biological data. This field helps us to understand better the central dogma of molecular biology. Bioinformatics enables advances from genome sequencing to protein structure prediction. The field evolves rapidly and has broad applications in medicine, pharmacy, biochemistry, biotechnology, agriculture, and other areas of applied biology. What to expect from this channel? In this channel, we shall be treating the various bioinformatics tests, including gene and protein retrievals, predicting open reading frame and exonic sequences, generating mRNA and protein sequences based on information from DNAs, generating RNA primers for DNA synthesis, homology modeling, phylogenetic tree construction, induced mutagenesis, molecular dockings and visualizations, etc. So, we will begin with structural annotations. In our next video, we will discuss structural annotation and I will show you how to retrieve genes and use the information to predict open reading frames, ORFs, and exons. Therefore, I would like you to click on that video so that you can know how to do these structural annotation tests. And that is it for now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Kindly subscribe so that you can get notified whenever new videos are uploaded to this channel.